Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer customized by Bomb for Force Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force 3rd Mile Upper Shillong.
Ka committee jagi start perkhat ban pe ka Jylla ba jing pen imbiang ki kiwa ka Jylla borok kawai kala shong perkhat biang ka khatlai trek matau banai ban shemi ki lat kilenti kumdu ban wanra biang ka jing khoi jing suba jong kini kiwa habai kren bekinong tho khobor hadi blawai ka Jylang principal chief conservator of forest uba bi kelingwa ulong bakane ka long na ka benta jong borok kiwa ki bren ka Jylla light no tu kiwa ki ba ha po ka jaka jaka reserve forest but ka wildlife protected area
it to be implemented?
Studies will have to be carried out, which are pollution related and related to the flow of water. Now, these studies will have to be carried out once during the dry season, which is approaching now, and as soon as the monsoon sets in next year, within let's say if it comes early, then the studies will conclude early because we need data for the dry season and the wet season. So I'd say 6 months.
Right. So are you also looking, at areas in the coal belt areas of the state? Because we know that illegal coal mining is being banned, but illegal coal mining is still going on.
Where rivers talking about rivers in these coal mining areas, the government is already taking action through this bioremediation, which is project funded by, being implemented by Trinity International. A pilot project was carried out successfully in Lukha River, and now we are replicating that on a larger scale on Lukha River and Karhokla River. Now, if there are any other rivers having A and B issues, which are not covered by the River Rejuvenation Committee, we will definitely take it up.
You see, Umiam Lake per se is not the culprit. The culprit is Wamkra and Umshirpi. So unless we take care of these two rivers, because both goes and joins War Oro and it empties into Umiam Lake. So Umiam Lake has become the septic tank of entire Shillong and its catchment of 220 square kilometers. You see, a 10 square kilometer lake is catering to 220 square kilometers of area, which is not seen in any part of our country. So there's so much pressure and anthropogenic factors impinging on this lake. So we are tackling on these aspects that first this source needs to be taken care of, Wamkra and Umshirpi. Urban department is coming up with some infrastructure. Then we had recently, Anand Maligawad was here, myself, our PCCF and HOF, we took a ride and we went to the neck of that point. So there also we have seen that there's some sort of algal bloom is happening, which is not at all good for a river or a lake system. Siltation is not an issue, it's a myth. Because unless the siltation crosses 10% of the gross volume available free of the sedimentation, then you do not need siltation. Now in Umiam, as per the WebCost studies, they say about it is 4.7% only. So what we have to do, without being repetitive, that we need to take care. Now, number two is the settlement which has come up, Umbed, then Umio, and other localities. There are a lot of farming take place, fertilizers are used, so we are also recommending on those. Then while construction, the debris comes down, this is one. Forest department, again KHADC land, otherwise the forest department was ready to take up plantation even in those islands which have come up. Then we have seen some construction which has taken place absolutely on the lake. Some guest houses of council and others. So we have recommended all these in our first report which we had submitted. So High Court also appreciated, but they feel more should be done. But number one, Wamkra, Shilpi, unless these two are treated, we cannot do anything regarding Umyam League.